Hi everyone, welcome back to TriniKidsTV. My name is Auntie Shadi and it's nice of you to join us. So today, before we get started, of course, we have to sing our good morning song. So will they sing the good morning song with me? Alright, let's go. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. Good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. And a very good morning to all of you that are watching. Now let's say the days of the week and the months of the year. Do you know what day it is today? Well, yesterday was Tuesday. What comes after Tuesday? Do you remember? Yes, it's Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. All day long, all day long. Very good. And it's a lovely Wednesday morning. Now, let's say the days of the week. The days of the week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. There are 7 days in the week. Did you know that? And can you remember what month we are in? That's right, we are in the month of December. December is the last month of the year. And there are 12 months in a year. All right? Now let's say the months of the year together. The months of the year are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Great job, everyone. Now it's time for the weather. But before we do the weather, we have to sing our weather song, right? So sing the weather song with me. Okay? And sing loudly so I can hear you. Ready? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? Well, is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Now we can go and look outside our windows and see what kind of weather we are having today. Well, did you look outside your window? You did? What kind of weather are you having? Okay. Well, where I am, it's a bright and sunny day. Now it's a great day to get some nice fresh air and play outside. All right? So remember to get some fresh air and go outside. Next, let's talk about our color of the day. And our color of the day is the color red. And red is one of our Christmas colors. Actually, I have something red right here with me. Would you like to see it? Great. It's my holly berries. We use this a lot in Christmas decorations. Doesn't it look nice? Red. Did you find something at home that's red? You did? Well, great job. Now let's talk about our shape of the day. Our shape of the day is a semicircle. A semicircle is like half of a circle. Okay? It's shaped like this, with a curve and then a flat line. That's a semicircle. Now it's time for our letter of the day. And our letter of the day is the letter that comes after J. It's the letter K. K is our letter of the day. Can you think of something that starts with the letter K? Kite, yes. And our letter of the day brings us to our area of the day. Well, before we say what our area of the day is, you know what we have to do, right? Let's get in our boat and sail to Trinidad, because our area of the day comes from Trinidad. Our area of the day is Kelly Village. Do you know where Kelly Village is? Yes, it's near Caroni. It's an area that connects lots of other areas together. You can pass through Kelly Village and get to lots of other places. Kelly Village is a nice residential area, and there are lots of people, there are lots of business places, and it's a nice place to drive. So if you're ever in Kelly Village, be sure to have a look around. Now let's say our alphabet together. Alright, so can we dance and say our alphabet? Great job, let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Great job, everyone. You did good dancing also. Now, are you ready to find out what our number of the day is? Well, our number of the day is the number 8. Can we count to 8? Are you ready? Well, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And stop right there, because we are only counting to 8, because 8 is our number of the day. All right, so let's get to our lesson for today. Now, our lesson for today, we are going to be continuing with our Christmas decorations, and we are going to be making a Christmas tree using some twigs. All right, so it's a good thing it's a sunny day today. You can take a walk outside and gather some little sticks. You could even gather some leaves, whatever you think that will look nice on your Christmas tree. You can go outside right now and get some twigs and some leaves. All right, so make sure you gather all the stuff that you're going to use and get ready to join me for craft time, where we're going to make our lovely Christmas decoration. And remember, you can even hang this up on your actual Christmas tree as a nice little decoration that you made. Doesn't that sound fun? All right, so we're going to start making our craft. First, you need a piece of cardboard, or at least a material that's really firm, and you're going to draw a triangle with your ruler so that you get some nice straight lines, and then you're going to cut it out. Just like that. Right, so we have our triangle there. You can make it however big or small you want. Now I have some corn husk there, as well as a few twigs, and I'm going to start by just applying my glue to my cardboard and just starting to stick it onto there. Alright, so I'm going to put my glue first. And then I'm going to start by sticking my pieces on. And just keep continuing upwards. And of course, we'll just trim the ends when you get to the top. Alright, so now that we've gotten to the top, what we're going to do is just press it down, and you're going to take your scissors and just neaten up your edges. So you could feel free to fill in wherever you missed a little spot, and just trim the edges so that you maintain your triangular shape. Alright, see that? Nice. Right, you can even use the little pieces that came off and just add them in just to fill up your tree so it looks nice. See how nice that looks already? And I have some beads here from a chain that I'm no longer using, and I'm cutting it up, and I'm going to use that as my Christmas balls. So you can just add your glue and add them wherever you want to put them. I'm just going to spread them out so it has a nice design. There we go. Nice. So you see how nice this looks? So what you could do once it dries, you can take another piece of your, well, I have my corn husk here, and I'm just going to make a little loop, and I'm going to add some glue and stick that on the back of my decoration. I'm just going to leave it here until it dries so that I can have it here to hang my decoration on my Christmas tree. Alright, so just going to leave it there. Just press that down, and there we have a lovely decoration for your Christmas tree. Thanks so much for joining us, everyone. I know you made some wonderful, beautiful Christmas trees, and if you want to show me, you can go to our TriniKidsTV Facebook page and post your pictures there. And thank you so much for joining me today. I know you had fun. I certainly did, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow. All right, so see you next time. Bye.